What else? You should be able to own all four things, right? So you should be able to say, I own tempo, rhythm, frame, and length of stride. And guess what else? You should say, I should walk around knowing that I have the opportunity of all other things. Collection is the collection of energy such that you know that is Lou, right? That Lou could in any second do a passage, do a piaffe, do an extended trot. You have to walk around and say, can Lou do an extended trot right now? If he can't, wake up things and see if he could. You know what I mean? Ask questions. That's what the great trainer is always doing. They're always wanting to know, what's the truth of this? While I'm walking, could I piaffe? While I'm walking, could I passage? While I'm walking, could I do an extended trot? While I'm walking, could I halt? While I'm walking, could I do an extended canter? Look up, feel those things, know those things. Right? And now collected trot. Good. And now extended trot. Yeah, but the vision, right? Now collected trot, now extended trot. And now collected trot. Now passage. That's not a passage. Yeah, decide. Can you see his knees? Is he bent right or left? The circle says that he's bent, yes. Good, now ask more. Don't be afraid, use your spurs twice. Good boy, and again, bend them right. And extended trot. Good boy, passage. Sit up, fold up that passage, half off the right rein too. Good boy, now piaffe. And really touch, make him electric. Make him electric off your leg, yeah fine, now bend him, make him electric again. Now pet him, and make him electric once more. Yeah, now bring him back again till he's light, because this is what you're gonna have to do in the canter, hon. Bring him back, heels down, don't touch him. If he stops, then touch him. Yeah, now bring him back again. Look up, bring him back all the way. Believe that he can piaffe. Good girl. Believe that he'll just do it without your leg. Don't even touch him. Now touch him with your legs, not even the whip. Now bring him back again. Sit down, put your heels down. Now touch him again, twice. Now bring him back again. See? Bring him back again. Bring him back more. Don't get on your knees, hon, okay? Good, keep your heels down. Thighs relaxed. Look up, and now just think that you're gonna sit down and jig like you're on a Western horse. Circle right. Yes, right. Now bring him back again. Don't keep going so forward. Not so forward. Bring him back more. Touch him with only your spur if he stops. Right now, spur. Now bring him back again. Good girl. You're doing great. Good girl. Bring him back more. Cluck a little bit as you do. Now bring him back more. Good girl. Bring him back more. Good. Put your heels down. No thigh. Touch. And now bring him back more. Don't go so forward when you, yeah. Good. Bring him right back. Heels down. Good girl. Heels, that's right. Now bring him back. Bring him on the right rein back. Bring him back more. Yes. Pet him. Good boy. Now walk. Super job. So, see, I'm trying to get you to get things all electric and bubbly, effervescent. Don't think you got to hold and grip on here and spur and get him hot and active and pet him. You understand? Go the other way and do the same. The more you touch and get less, the more he believes that your touch isn't meaningful. If you touch him there and he's still walking with your spur, he should have been galloping. Do you understand? A great rider would not touch him and let him still be in a walk. A great rider, if they touched him at all, would be in the next gait up at least, if not a gallop, with him like bucking and running all over the place. He'd be wildly electric. Do you understand that? Show me that you understand it really. Yeah. Now pet him, walk. It's not to be mean. It's to start to refine your tools. Do you understand? Yes. Now walk. Now think like you could go to a passage from the walk without him being so overflexed in the pole. Pull, yes, right? Not using his neck wrong. Now walk again. Look at that. That's better, right? Heels down. Walk. Now think of a piaffe. And you just sit, bring him, not so forward. Good boy. Good boy. Pet him when he does that by himself with the inner hand. Okay? And don't let him stop till you stop. You understand? Okay. And again, piaffe. Heels down. Right leg once. Touch him with a spur. Once. Hard. Come again. With the spur. Hard. Yeah, now pet him. Now with the left hand, pet him. Good boy. Now touch him again. And see if he just, yes, good boy. Good boy. Don't touch him, see? Now don't touch him. And don't let him stop. You're right. And don't, until you say stop. You're doing great. Now walk. Good boy. Good boy. Now collected trot. And is it the brilliant? Now extended trot. Come. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Push up. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Now quiet heels. Good. Look up. Half pass left. Look up. Is this pull up? To the corner. To the corner. Yeah. Good girl. And collected trot. Super. Extended trot. Collected trot. Pull up. Light hands. Light hands. Passage. 3 steps. You got to decide. Look for his knees. Can you see his knees? If not, do something. Yes, girl. That's right. Come. Good boy. And good. Passage a little more now. Close your fist. Close your fist. Ask a little more. Ask a little more. Good boy. And half pass right. Half pass right. Good. All the way to the corner. Bring the haunch once. Left spur once. Bend him. Flex him. Flex him. Flex him. Flex him. Sitting up. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Pull up. Passage. Yep. Don't be afraid to half halt on the right rein. And then look for his knees. Look for them. And don't be afraid to even tap once. Yes. Don't be afraid to get him hotter. Good boy. And now bring him toward piaffe. And sit light. Now what? Now what? You decide. It's your decision. If he quit, it's your decision if it wasn't light and right and electric, right? Keep your heels down, piaffe. Piaffe. See, and sitting quiet. Pet him, pet him, pet him. That's where you pet him. See, you pet him. See how he did? Oh, walk. Girl, you did that really nice right here.